Welcome. In this video we will discuss the standard protocol for obtaining and implementing an Eden editor generated SQF file for usage in multiplayer applications. Caveats to follow. The SQF will indiscriminately save all objects within the mission file you are exporting. The SQF will not contain data regarding add-ons required for the safe instantiation of objects, so it is recommended to use only trusted core mods that will certainly be available to all players partaking in the multiplayer event. Misuse of the SQF will not cause any severe problems, but some players may be unable to interact with certain objects instantiated from the SQF for which they do not have the required mod enabled. The SQF will not take note of local files and scripts. As for the saving process, once you have your mission file completed, ensure you have saved your scenario. Once your scenario is saved, all objects that you have on the map, including markers, will be ready for SQF export. In order to execute this task, click the scenario button to the top left of your screen, hit export, and hit export to SQF. This will generate the export containing the name of your scenario and the offer. In here it will also list all objects through code. Now once you have this, you must copy the file, or just to be sure you can ctrl+a and then ctrl+c in order to have a safe copy. You can also check if everything is indeed highlighted, which it will be. After which, the best recommended practice is to proceed into your desktop and create a text file. We'll call it SQF training, and in this file you can paste all the code. You can then save this file. This will be a text file, and anytime you require to open up the contents of this SQF or utilize them in any situation, you can send this SQF file along. Alternatively, there are programs websites such as pastebin, and within pastebin it is very easy to create a new paste. And once you have the new paste, you create it, and this link can be utilized to send the pastebin instead, or the SQF file's contents, which can then be given out to any Zeus operator or mission developer who can then access the contents of the SQF file for his personal usage. In terms of implementation within mission, I will quickly move over to a multiplayer file and implement this SQF mission. During the SQF usage process, it is very important to utilize the correct map for spawning in the SQF. Otherwise, your objects may appear under the ground or above the ground, or in generally unpleasant places which are unpredictable. In our case, we were on virtual reality, so we will utilize virtual reality for implementing our SQF file. Once we are in the game, we can utilize the escape menu, and in the execute debug console we can paste in our code. Well, that was the pastebin. I should probably take the contents of the pastebin instead. I should do it. There we are, and then we execute on the server. Make sure you have admin when doing this task. If you do not have admin, it will not function correctly. So now that we have this, we may go into Zeus and check out if they have indeed spawned, and they will. And the object is as predicted.